What attracts me most about China's five-year plan is the tremendous commitment to a low-carbon economy and ultimately to a sustainable energy economy. In the five-year plan, China is committed to reach peak carbon emissions sooner than 2030 and to have a sustainable energy economy by 2060. These are very aggressive goals, and I think they're great goals. I wish more countries actually had these goals. The Chinese economy, I think, is going to do extremely well over the next decade, and it's also committed to a sustainable energy future. So we're building cars. We have China, I think, long-term will be our biggest market, both where we make the most number of vehicles and where we have the most number of customers. I would like to strike an optimistic note and say that I'm very confident that the future in China is going to be great, and that China is headed towards being the biggest economy in the world and a lot of prosperity in the future. And this five-year plan is going to be a part of making that prosperity happen.